In times of turmoil and despair, hold on to the truth that you are not alone. Even when everything seems to fall apart, the essence of divine presence remains steadfast. You still breathe and your heart still beats, signifying that there's life within you, a life that God continues to nurture. In the moments of your deepest pain, remember that each tear shed and every heartbreak endured is not in vain. They are part of a grand tapestry being woven by the hands of the divine, creating a beautiful narrative out of chaos. Life's challenges can feel insurmountable, but they serve a purpose beyond our understanding. Just as fire purifies gold, so too do these struggles refine your spirit. Through adversity, your character is shaped and resilience is forged. Embrace the notion that your difficulties are tools used for strengthening your essence, sculpting you into a masterpiece meant for greatness. You are an extraordinary creation, molded with care and instilled with immeasurable worth. Don't allow the world to diminish your value. Its noise can often drown out the truth of your significance in the eyes of God. When prayers feel like they vanish into thin air, take solace in knowing that they are never wasted. Divine timing is a concept that transcends human understanding. God answers every prayer with 3 simple yet profound responses: yes, no, or wait. His timing is impeccably perfect, tailored to fulfill a greater plan that may not align with your immediate desires. During these periods of waiting, frustration can bubble to the surface, but trust that He hears your heart's cry, even amidst silence. Remember that you are a cherished child of God, embraced by unwavering love. In your darkest moments, when betrayal and pain eclipse the light, God remains. He sees every silent tear and hears every whispered prayer. His companionship will navigate you through the storms, reminding you that His love is ever constant and deeply rooted in your existence. So rise up, dear soul. Refuse to allow fear to confine you, or past failures to dictate your future. There is immeasurable potential waiting to be realized within you. You possess a purpose far greater than what you can envision. God whispers to you even now, encouraging you to see that He is not finished with you yet. You are more than your struggles. You are a vessel of hope, love, and light, so don't give up. In moments when all feels lost, lean into faith, trust in the divine plan unfolding before you. You are loved deeply and unconditionally,